Welcome guys, today I am with Beats Studio 3 and I'm going to show you how we can check battery level of this headset. So at the first you have to power on by using the power button. Click and hold for a few seconds. Just like that. And as you can see on this place we'll find indicators. That's 5 indicators, and when you click once on the indicator, when the device is turned on, you will get the highlight of the indicators. And the first one is 20%, the second is 40%, third is 60%, another one is 80%, and the last one is 100% of the battery level. So currently it's about like 40%. So that's how you can check the battery level of this headset. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.